It's been a year since I bought my electric push mower from DeWALT. This mower has worked incredibly well, and since I've had it for a year, I wanted to review it and let you guys know what I like and what I dislike about this mower. First, the thing that is so nice about this mower is that it is incredibly simple to use. It is simple where you put the batteries in, then you pull back your safety, and you're off to the races. It's incredibly simple to use. As you're going over heavier patches of grass, the mower will speed up the motor, so it's easier to cut through that tall grass. You have a safety key that you're able to take out of the mower. So for kids or little ones, you can take it out so nothing can ever happen unless if you put this key back in. It folds down, which is very, very convenient. And it also stands up to make it so easy to put into a garage. The reason why I love electric lawnmowers so much is because they store so well. For other gas mowers, if you put it on its side, oftentimes you're going to end up with some trouble because then your oil and your gas is facing a different direction, and that can cause problems for your engine. Now, because I've had it for a year, I can tell you the longevity of it. A lot of people say, hey, these electric cars or other things, will they stand up over time? As far as for this electric mower, it still works just as well as the day that I bought it. There's obviously still some maintenance involved. I've made an entire video about how to take care of whether it's the blades or the batteries, things like that. Definitely check that video out if you're interested. But as far as this DeWALT mower, I think it's absolutely great. The big selling point is that it uses the DeWALT batteries. It's not some crazy different battery that doesn't fit with their other tools. They fit in over 200 DeWALT products. So their leaf blowers, their weed eaters, their drills, their saws, so many things are going to work with these batteries. I would definitely encourage you guys to get the two 10 amp hour 20 volt batteries. They last incredibly long. I've been super impressed with them, and I couldn't imagine going with almost any other brand, but that's just me. The reason why is just compatibility. Being able to put it into so many different tools works incredibly well. And with that being said, I think that, you know, the cost of around $500, of course with inflation it could be whatever nowadays, but I think it works really well. I use it to mow about 1.5 acres, which is my grandmother's property. She was having it done by a company before, and they were charging $60, $70 a pop every single time they came out, and they would come out at any like super early in the morning or just weird times, versus me doing it myself, where now having done it for a year, I've definitely paid for the mower, for my weed eater, for my leaf blower, and now I have all the equipment. It's all, you know, purely, not necessarily profit, but it's savings. It's pure savings at this point because I'm doing it myself. And I know for myself, because I don't have the skills to take care of a gas mower, the problem is that if I were to go and buy a nice gas mower, I'd have to go through the time to learn how to really well maintain and take care of a gas mower. And for me, I'm just not that interested in doing that when there's still such a good option like this DeWALT mower. So you guys, that's kind of just my thoughts there. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. But definitely, if you pick this up, get it with a 30-day return policy. Make sure that it mows enough for you. Make sure that it works well for what you're doing. And if not, return it. It's so nice to be able to return products if they don't fit your needs. So you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.